Dear medical aspirants, the NEET exam 2025 is round the corners and NTA, the National Testing Agency, is all set to release an official notification for NEET exam registration for the academic year 2025. Of course, the notification will have information about the registration date, the exact duration where students can do the registration, the examination schedule, the application fee, and the timing where they issue the admit card, and much more information in this regard. So you can stay connected with us with Admission Queue by referring our YouTube channel Education Hub for a detailed and informative video about the registration process for NEET exam 2025. Not only that, you can contact us to know more about the registration for NEET 2025. Along with that, you can also avail information regarding the admission process for various medical courses conducted across India. All the very best and good luck.